You guys, I got LASIK done yesterday and I'm just so blown away. I can literally see for the first time ever. Just for some background, I've been wearing glasses and contacts since the second grade, and my prescription was a -7. Also, some more background, my dad is an eye doctor and he got LASIK done back when it was just approved by the FDA like a million years ago. So when I went to my dad and I told him that I wanted to get it done, I had originally made an appointment with a doctor in DC, but he was like, absolutely not. You are flying to Arizona, which is where I'm from, and getting it done with Dr. Pellin. He's literally the only person that my dad actually trusted doing this on me. And I was literally so nervous. Like, at this point, I was just going to go to a consultation and see if I really wanted to do it. I wasn't dead set. So I went to my consultation on December 5th, and they did a bunch of different tests on me, and Dr. Petlin told me that I was a great candidate for LASIK. He took a lot of time explaining to me what to expect and possible side effects, which I really appreciated. I ended up making my LASIK appointment for December 22nd, and when I made my appointment, they gave me this huge packet and these eye drops that I was supposed to use 2 days before my surgery. They also gave me a bunch of instructions on what to do before my surgery and after my surgery in order to prepare for it. So surgery day came along yesterday and I was so nervous. Like shitting my pants nervous. Mostly because you have to be awake during the surgery, which I was like freaking out about. So I get there and they take me into this room where they do just like a bunch of tests on me that they had originally done on my consultation day. They did this to make sure that my eyes were still a good candidate for it. Then they took me into this room where they started numbing my eye. This is probably the longest part of the entire surgery. They use these special drops to numb my eye, and the tech would come into the room, put the drops in my eye, leave, return 5 minutes later, put more drops in my eye, leave. They did this like 3 or 4 times. You guys, they numbed my eyes real good. I did not feel a thing. After they numbed my eyes, they took me into this room where the LASIK was actually performed. As you can see, there's like a huge glass pane there, and whoever came to drive you to the surgery and to take you home can actually watch you get the surgery, which was like the weirdest part. My dad was just sitting there like, just watching it. If you guys want me to, I can actually do a separate video of the actual like process of what it's like to get it done. But honestly, long story short, it took 3 minutes and it was completely painless. Like, I did not feel a single thing. I was also really nervous about that like metal thing that you see to like keep your eyes open, and I did not even feel that either. When I say my entire eye was numb, like all of this was numb, I did not feel anything. At the end of the surgery, he had me sit up and he was like, look out the window. So I like looked out that window and I could like see the cars driving by. It was surreal and insane. It was the first time in my life that I could like actually see. I was just like, oh my god, like this is insane. My vision was still kind of like foggy, but I could definitely see. I went home, took a nap, and when I woke up, my eyes were great. Like, it was wild.